This section is about slow query logs. To view the log details, on the instance page, click the target instance. In the navigation pane on the left, choose Slow Query Logs. On the Slow Query Logs page, we can set search criteria and click Search to view log information. For example, we can select all nodes and view slow query logs of all nodes. Alternatively, we can also select a specific node to view its slow query logs. We can choose to view slow query logs of all types of SQL statements or a specific SQL statement. For example, we can choose this. Then we can view slow query logs of a specific node in different time ranges. On the log details page, click this button in the upper right corner of the log list to export log details. We can view the CSV file exported to our local PC. Up to 2,000 logs can be exported at a time. Then click OK to export slow query logs.